Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live, and you are watching today's top headlines. Former Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh is all set to launch his new party. Sources said that in all probability it will be called the Punjab Vikas Party. Amarinder has claimed that he has the support of more than 30 MLAs in the state. Journalist Satya Sundar Das, who works for an Odia daily, was attacked Friday by miscreants while he was on a morning walk near Delta Square in Bhubaneswar. Das suffered serious injuries when he tried to prevent the miscreants on a bike from snatching his cell phone but failed to do so. Plus 2 offline examinations conducted by the Council of Higher Secondary Education for students dissatisfied with their scores started Friday. A total of 13,403 students are appearing for the exams being conducted in 185 centers. Petrol and diesel prices soared to an all-time high across India after rates were hiked Friday again by 25 paise and 30 paise a litre, respectively. In the process, diesel crossed the 100 rupees per litre mark in some places of Odisha. Earlier, petrol also had breached the 100 per litre mark in the state. Zydus Cadilla's ZyCoV-D vaccine against COVID-19 will soon become a part of India's inoculation drive, Health Ministry sources said Friday. They informed that pricing issues for the new vaccine is being sorted out. The vaccine is administered in 3 doses and is needleless. Smriti Mandhana became Friday the first Indian woman cricketer to score a pink ball test 100 against Australia. Incidentally, it was also the first century by an Indian woman in a test on Australian soil. Pop star Shakira was attacked by 2 wild boars while she was walking in a park in Barcelona with son Milan. The singer said on Instagram that the boars took away her handbag when she tried to thwart the animals away. Luckily, she and Milan did not suffer any injuries. That's all for today's top headlines. Keep watching Orissa Post Live.